In this video, we removed the old grout and restored these mosaic tiles to perfection. After deep grinding and professional polishing, the dull surface shines like new again. See the transformation. Old floor, brand new look. Step 1. Manually remove gurt and corner darkness, as the big machine cannot reach the edges. Step 2. Clearing the thin gurt coating from the floor to enhance shine and overall finishing quality. Step 3. Fill all holes and gaps with white cement for a smooth finish. Step 4. First round of polishing to achieve a smooth finish. Step 5. The second round of polishing for a shining finish. Here's the final result. Looks amazing, right? If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more renovation videos.